Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like this content, I have a playlist full of technology tutorials like this one. I hope this video helps you. So today's video tutorial is about how to deactivate your Facebook account for those who want to delete their FB account. Here are the steps, which are simple and easy to follow. First step is to update our Facebook app. To update, let's go to the Play Store. After updating, open your Facebook app. Now that we're in our Facebook account, this is for those who just want to deactivate their Facebook account. You might not know this yet, but this is only temporary if you want to take a break from Facebook and not be searchable by anyone. Now what we'll do is simple. Just click the 3 lines at the top right. But before we continue, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for your support. Now let's proceed. Scroll down and find Settings and Privacy. Click on it and then click Settings. Now we're in the settings, and your Meta account center should look like this. If not, update your FB app because this is a new update from FB. Next, click on it. Scroll down and find Personal Details. Click on it and then find Account Ownership and Control. Click on it and you'll see this. Click on your Facebook profile and you'll see 2 options: Deactivate Account or Delete Account. If you just want to take a break from FB and plan to come back, choose Deactivate Account. If you want to delete your account permanently, choose Delete Account. Now let's choose Deactivate Account. Scroll down and click Continue. Enter your password. When you deactivate your Facebook account, you can still use Messenger, but your Facebook profile will no longer be visible or searchable. If you want to reactivate your Facebook, just log into your Facebook account again. Is that clear? And if this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell to stay updated with our new tutorial videos like this one. Also, comment if you have a topic you want us to cover. Just type it in, don't be shy. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.